I love to use sous vide pulled pork to make carnitas tacos. This pulled pork recipe can be used for a variety of reasons outside of just tacos. You can make pulled pork sandwiches or even make enchiladas or all different types of Mexican food with this recipe. This recipe is made with sous vide pork shoulder, or you could use sous vide pork roast. To make the sous vide carnitas, you need about 48 hours to thoroughly cook the pork sous vide style. One way to lock in a lot of flavor up front for these carnitas is to flavor with seasonings, dry rub, and then saute your meat in a pan on the stove. You want to really cook it until it's very, very brown so it locks in all of the moisture and all of the flavor before it goes into the sous vide bag.
Do it this way.
Once you completely brown the outside of the pork shoulder, it's ready to put in the sous vide bag and vacuum seal. Then the pork shoulder is going to cook sous vide style for 48 hours at 165 degrees. You'll want to keep on checking on the water level to make sure there's enough water in there to keep the pork well immersed in the liquid. Once the sous vide bath is complete, 2 days later, you're ready to take out the pork shoulder and to pull it apart. By this point, it should be completely falling apart so you can easily pull it with a fork and then make your tacos. If you reserve some of the juice from the bag, you can make a nice little gravy for the tacos. You could also just melt down some barbecue sauce and spread that on top of the tacos. I hope you have a great time sous videing meat with this recipe for pork shoulder carnitas tacos. This is one of my favorite go-to recipes, especially for a game day or when guests are coming over and I want to show them how to sous vide. I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!